guys, welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. In this video, we are gonna see how to make one of the table decoration items, that is marshmallow tree for birthday parties. To start with, take a sponge and cut it out to make a ball. Or if you can get these styrofoam balls, you can use that. Now, to make a spear shape, put a small sponge piece on top and wrap it fully with an aluminum foil paper. Remove the extras and fold it. Now take a skewer stick and insert it at the bottom. You can also decorate your skewer stick with a ribbon if you want. Then, to place the marshmallow tree, you need a cup. Put some heavy things inside the cup to make it stand. Then, you need some toothpicks and some marshmallows. You can substitute marshmallows with any type of candies like gummy bears, fruit or jelly candies, or even lollipops. Now insert the toothpick all over the ball and put the marshmallows on top. Your marshmallow tree is ready now. I used this marshmallow tree for the table decorations on my daughter's birthday. Hope this is quick and simple to make it. I will meet you all in the next video with some more birthday decorations. Thanks for watching. Bye.